Hey guys, so I have another palette to show you that I really love. This is the Huda Beauty Neon Orange Obsessions palette. Look at the colors in here, they're so pretty. I love the oranges in this palette, and whenever I want a bright orange look, I always go for this one. And what I notice is those oranges in there are pretty similar to the Makeup Revolution Birds of Paradise palette. And I'll compare them. So they have this canary yellow. It's a little bit different than this one, but it's close enough. See, like this one's a little bit deeper than the one on the left. It's still pretty similar. And then it's got these orange shades, these beautiful oranges. So this is like a macaroni and cheese kind of orange. And then this one's a little bit deeper, and it's a little bit more orange, but kind of a similar vibe. Since this one is discontinued, this is a really good alternative. And as you can see, it even has like this melon color here, tweet. Let me show you guys. Look at that, beautiful melon. It's a little bit more orange. But this shade right over here is like this beautiful melon shade. But yeah, kind of similar. So I kind of like to have both of these because when this palette is going to be used up, then I have this palette to lean back on. And I'll probably do different looks with both of them.